Hey guys, welcome to After Hours, where today we work on a MacBook. Alright, so let's see what we got today. Join me on the bench. Okay, so let's start off by flipping this over. This is going to get a new battery. These MacBooks are prone to a lot of issues, so we went ahead and backed up the information prior towards the repair. If you're going to try to DIY this, I super highly recommend to back up your stuff regardless of what you do. Okay, once we get all of these out, we're going to go ahead and just pop these out. We're going to be super careful. You'll hear a little click. Alright guys, are you ready to see why I hate this MacBook? Check this out. So we undid all the screws. We're going to go ahead and just lift this up and check this out. It's hard to see in the video, but we got a cable right here. And if we open this too much, it's going to rip. Yeah, no, it's off. Okay, so we have it open now. This cable is what I'm talking about. These are really easy to snag and they will rip right over here. Alright, so now that we have this disconnected, this is the main board, this is the battery. This board's so sensitive. I don't like this MacBook. I hate it. Okay, anyways, enough complaining. Alright, so now that all those screws are out, we can just lift this up, and there you go, battery's unplugged. So we will disconnect the battery for good and make sure nothing can do that. Alright, we're going to take a quick caffeine break. Alright, break's done. That was a little too long. Alright! I'm almost done. Cleaning this stuff off is so annoying. Okay, if you look here, it'll tell you the not tear off in advance, so let's just follow the instructions. I really don't think it matters too much, but I'm a good boy. What if the battery doesn't work and they happen to see this video and they're like, hey, you didn't follow the instructions? I saw that you took off the film before installing the battery. That is a no-no. Okay, let's put this all back together. Alright, we have the battery plugged in, these two screws as well. The only thing we have to do now is put this cable back here, and that's gonna be fun. I'm probably gonna do that off camera because I don't think I can do this with one hand. Okay, so we went ahead, put the screws on, and before we finish it up, close it up, go home, eat, play some Street Fighter, let's make sure it turns on. Today's a happy day. It turns on. Look at it. Let's look here. It looks like it's charging. It's 2%, 2.5 hours till it's complete. And I should have probably showed you this before, but with the old battery, right over here it said it needed servicing. So looks like we're good to go on this one. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna just be putting in these screws right now. I don't think you guys need to see that. Wouldn't you rather see my beautiful face? Thanks for watching. This is After Hours, where I work after hours and where my phone just let's see, who is this? Who's ruining my day?
Take two.
Alright, so I am just putting the last screws in to the MacBook. Thank you for watching. This was After Hours, where I work after hours. One day we'll just have hours where I work like I normally do.